Good morning, children. We will start the last class angiosperm. The angiosperm means the flowering plant. All the flowering plants include in the angiosperm. And in the last videos means gymnosperm, we studied that the naked seeded plant. The seed is not enclosed within the fruit in gymnosperm, but in angiosperm the seed enclosed within the fruit, or seeds are located within the fruit. So now we start the angiosperm. The angiosperm has the wide variety in size. Wide diversity in the angiosperm. So many plants are available of the angiosperm group. So the wide variety, wide diversity in the size, in the habitat, etc. So the size may be few millimeter up to the many meters, or in the kilometers may be. So the size smallest plant is Wolffia microscopia, and the longest is eucalyptus. The largest is banyan tree. The banyan tree spread in the kilometers. Many branches are there, main trunk is there. So along the branches and the other parts of the plant, it may extend up to the kilometer. So largest means according to the width, according to the diameter. Next, the habitat also have the variations. The habitat means the aquatic plants. The angiosperms are aquatic. They are found also in the water. Terrestrial, the most common form of the angiosperm is terrestrial, means on the land. The xerophytic that are found extreme dry condition. They are found in the extreme dry condition or scarcity of the water. Example, cactus, acacia. Epiphytic plant, the plant which grow on the branches of tall tree. Grow on the branches of tall tree, they do not get food from the epiphyte. The plants which grow on the epiphyte do not get the nourishment. It is grow for getting the sunlight for proper growth. Parasitic means the plant which grow on the other plant. That is on which it is grow. It is called host plant. So in host plant, the parasite get the nourishment from the host plant. For example, cuscuta is there. Epiphytic plant means they grow on the next one. One is more also the ephemerals. One is also there, the ephemerals. The ephemerals means they live for short period. Short period, for example, in the desert area. When the first rain is there, first shower is there, the plants grow, and after few days, 2 to 3 week, they die. And when again the rain is there, again the shower is there, they again grow and remain for the few months or years. So habitat according, the aquatic plant is there, terrestrial is there, xerophytic is there, epiphytic, parasite, and ephemeral condition. So this is the plant, the angiospermic plant, the flowering plant. The various parts are there. Roots, stem contain nodes and internode. Nodes, internode. And the leaves and the flower. The flower is the modified shoot. The flower is the modified shoot. Modified shoot, or it is the reproductive part of the plant, or it is the most attractive part of the plant. So the flower is the modified shoot. The roots are there that grow below the ground. The aerial part consists of the stem, branches, leaves and flower. It is the life cycle complete as sporophyte or the gametophyte. So now we discuss about the flower. The flower is the reproductive part of the plant. It is the modified shoot which consists of 4 valves. 4 valves. This is the thalamus or receptacle where all the floral parts are born. So thalamus, and the first valve, the outer valve is sepals. The group of sepal is calyx. The second valve is petals. The group is corolla. The third valve is stamen, endoecium, that is the male part, and the fourth valve or inner valve is gynoecium, that is the pistil. The 4 valves, calyx, corolla, stamen and pistil. So just when I told the modified shoot, if we elongate the flower, it is arranged like a modified shoot. These are the nodes. So in the lower one is the receptacle. As I shown in the diagram, the lower one, this is the receptacle, then calyx, then corolla, stamen and the pistil. When we press this shoot, these floral parts are in a compressed or modified shoot. So that's why we call the flower is the compressed shoot, the flower is the modified shoot. Now we discuss detail about the sporophyte and the gametophyte in the angiosperm. Now we discuss the detail in the angiosperm. As we discuss the structure of flower, the flower has 4 valves, the calyx, corolla, stamen and pistil. The flower may be unisexual or bisexual. Unisexual means either the male, this is the sign for male, either the male or female reproductive organ in a flower. Yani either the stamen is present or pistil is present. Only the one reproductive part is present in a flower. And the bisexual, male and female, both reproductive part present in the flower. So flower is called bisexual or hermaphrodite. So the bisexual flower may be or the unisexual flower. And the male part is the stamen. The male part of the flower is stamen, or stamen is a modified microsporophyll. It means it produces the male gamete. The stamen consists of anther and filament. The anther consists of microspore mother cell. The microspore mother cell under the meiosis, the diploid are there, produce microspore. The microspore that is haploid in number. And the same with the pistil. The pistil is the female reproductive part, or it is a modified megasporophyll. The same, it goes under the meiosis, or by the meiosis it produces the megaspore, haploid megaspore of female gamete. So the plant which are having the micro or megasporophyte. Megasporophyte mean the stamen and pistil in the flower. So this plant is sporophyte. This plant is called sporophyte. It is dominant phase of the life cycle of angiosperm. It remains for a longer period. The most of the time the sporophytic plant is there. So the dominant phase is sporophyte, and the gametophyte stage is very short, rudimentary, not clear, not seen visibly or not visible, rudimentary, and remain for a short period. For example, the pollen formation and the ovule formation, they are the gametophyte. So the gametophyte phase is inconspicuous and the sporophyte is a predominant or the dominant phase. So this is the sporophytic phase. The dominant phase is spore producing. Spore producing means produce the micro or megasporophyte. Very short period, the gametophyte is there, or gametophyte is the gametes producing stage. The male gametophyte produce the microspore and the female gametophyte produce the megaspore. Now we discuss the life cycle of angiosperm.